Yeah, we out here in the library today. Yeah. I gotta go do something for my teacher first. Yeah.
I got you. I'll vlog for you.
Okay.
Like a troll.
Yep.
Okay. We going in the secret layer in the school. Nobody know where this place is.
Alright, I need this TV moved to a table out there.
Okay, what table?
Probably one that's not even set up right now.
Okay, so just put it on the table.
No, bring it. I'll show you where.
All right, bro. We're gonna have to cut the camera.
It don't break. It won't be.
Yes, it will break.
Is it open?
Okay, Carlos and
Oh,
Victor.
it's not. Get the cable, bro.
Oh, is it plugged in?
No, it was not plugged in. It was gonna yank.
Okay. Carlos and Victor are heavy lifting.
Yes.
Big bodies.
42-inch, 49-inch TV.
It's some big stuff.
They're gonna steal it, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, put it on that table.
That first table right there.
Or
Back the second one.
Yeah.
Fortnite.
About to plug up the PS4 play Fortnite.
All done.
Yeah, all done. Now we're gonna get to some serious business with my boy Carlos.
My boy Zane.
Shout out my boy Zane Red. Shout out my boy.
Shout out to the vlog.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
My bro,
He's single. Y'all hit him up.
No, he's not. He is not single. Don't try that. That's how you get hit.
Who's her girlfriend? Who's his girlfriend?
Yeah.
I'm his girlfriend, Allie Quick,
Mm.
and he's not single.
She's single too. Y'all hit her up. Man, hit up Mel. Hit up Mel. He's single. He ready to mingle. Hit my boy up.
Single right here.
My boy Elvo.
You ready? You want a girlfriend, man?
I'm good.
You want a
He
boyfriend?
wants 7
No.
girlfriends. Let's go, bro.
All right, serious business. Y'all go look at my YouTube videos too. CNA Bros.
Cut it, bro. Cut it.
Today's the day, you know, I get signed to a
What's
new
that in your
club.
hand, bro?
It's the contract to my new club, soccer club.
Boy signing.
I'm gonna have to leave Richmond.
Richmond FC.
Yeah, man. I'm going to FC.
You going
FSC.
to FSC.
Fayetteville Force.
Fayetteville Force.
You know, I'm trying to get my boy Vic in there too. You know,
You know, whole team eat tight.
the whole team eat. Run one boy eats, the whole team eat.
Yeah.
God dang. Fayetteville Force right here, my
Fayetteville
boy.
Force, bro. My boy don't play.
Yeah, man. We don't play with this stuff, boy. We
All
take
right, bro. How you
business
feel
down.
about signing?
I feel pretty great. How you feel?
How you think the competition is gonna be up there?
It's pretty great actually. I already played against a few teams. Got
Oh,
my
yeah?
fuck out. Goddamn, bro.
What about yesterday's loss? How you feel about that?
You know, me and my boy Vic, we did everything we could.
We was eating.
We, bro.
We was turned.
It's not our fault, you know. Our team sucks.
We only had one sub, bro. Indoor messed us
You know,
up.
we score mainly the goals right here.
We did put a few in.
That's all
My
about
boy
that.
gotta go to Fayetteville, so
Has to be done, bro.
it's gotta be
You know.
done.
Shout out to my boy Nolan over there,
Where's he at?
right there.
That's not Nolan. You wanna be in it?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta shout somebody out there.
Yeah.
Alright, shout out to
OG Vic Bone.
yeah, shout out to my girl Kelly.
You want me in it too? Okay, I guess.
No, I don't want any video.
Shout out to my favorite teacher, Miss Hudson. You want to be on? Shout out.
No,
Shout
Lord, no,
out.
I saw myself on camera.
Shout out.
I'm on you, bro.
I need to not eat for like a
Shout out
month.
to Miss Hudson.
I can't show Miss Hudson because she said she don't want to be on
He'll blur
YouTube.
your face.
Because y'all aren't supposed
Yeah,
to.
he can
I'll
blur
blow your
face
face, yeah.
Yeah, he'll blur
Y'all
your
aren't
face.
supposed to have cell phones in school.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's
This
go,
a camera.
Get this one.
But my daughter teaches and she calls them books. She's like, all right, y'all, if you're still recording.
Marco.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, I'm out here with Miss Sneed. We out here and
Am I gonna be on this thing?
yeah, what's this
Yes, I
class
was
called?
What's up? Is that what you wanted me to do?
What's this class called?
This is the classroom.
We in computer class, yeah.
You know,
Oh
You're not even in my class. Oh,
you know, gonna be late
We-
for my next class.
Yeah,
some
this computer
stuff.
class,
check out my plant.
Oh yeah.
hey.
Nice.
See
Look
with
at that name.
Miss Sneed.
No, we in class right now. I'm about to get us in the class.
Maybe out. Look up there. Put it on the camera.